Hello, I'm Jeremy of the Computer Science Course Assistants, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Notepad++ on your computer for your HTML and CSS class. First off, you're going to want to go ahead and open up your browser. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome. And we're going to want to type in the search bar here, Notepad++, and hit enter. Should be this first link right here, which is notepad++.org/downloads. And you'll see we're already in the download folder, so we can go ahead and go over here and choose the newest release. In this case, it's 7.8.5. We'll click on this. And then we're going to scroll down here to where it says download 64-bit x64. And we'll click on this installer right here, and it'll start the download for us automatically. And for those of you who are on Mac, you are going to use Sublime Text for your HTML and CSS class. You'll go right there. Go ahead and go to download, and then make sure you download the OS X version right here. Once that finishes, we're going to go ahead and click this. And it'll ask us if it's okay to make changes to our computer. We're going to go ahead and click on yes for that. Go ahead and select English, and then next right here, and then I agree. And then this is just for the destination folder. We're going to use the default and hit next right here. Go ahead and hit next on this. And then we're going to go ahead and check the box that says create shortcut on desktop, and then we'll hit install. We'll wait for that to finish. Alright, and you'll see the box for Run Notepad's already checked, so once we finish this, it'll open it right up for us. And there we go. Now we have Notepad++ on our computer. This has been Jeremy. Thank you for watching.